What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. In today's live stream, you guys asking show solder. Okay, that's what we're doing today. Top camera. I'm redoing. Actually, I'm shortening those wires. So soldering those wires from Zemo decoder. It's in the back here. It's already. I secure it. It's actually was kind of double-sided tape, and it's pretty good. So for testing purposes, I make it longer. So Svetodiode, it's Russian for LED. LED is good. So a couple of things I need. Actually, I prepared everything. Let's see, this wire needs a little bit. Take the insulation. So this is Fleischmann, older model, means 2010, but they discontinued. Probably going to move everything to Rocco. Don't count on my just idea. So for maintenance purposes, I think that should be fine, you know, and you can put some raise that area with a foam and leave it like this. So which is I'm going to do something about it right now. Something like this. So should be any problems, but like that. So I can solder it, and yeah, for maintenance purposes. What I'm thinking. Okay, yes. So always just check the top of the model, you know, some detail parts or whatever, horns, if it's diesel, not a lot of stuff here, but depends on the manufacturer and the model. This is very I should say, what's the English word for it, fragile plastic. They make very good details overall, but again, I think it's not the type of like nylon type. Yeah, I think you can glue to it with some what's the name, some chemical which is take apart molecules of that plastic. Yeah, stuff like Plastrod. Here we go. So we should be good, and super careful because this is all plastic except I think the body here and like some parts there, but it's plastic again. Just be careful. So I have my soldering gun ready. Yes, I have flux. We're selling it. I'll tell about website. We have an issue, and it's pretty much resolved, but it's not really, means you want to buy something, welcome, but it's accepting PayPal at this point. And I'll make the video on DCC Train main channel. This is just like for live streams for fun. All right. Always careful, because again, all plastic here. Hope you can see something what I'm doing. Do you? Okay, let's do it like that. One more. Okay. Perfect. Okay, now be careful. Move it a little bit here. Need to tint those two wires. Those original Zemo wires for speaker, and of course make sure you don't have power. Double check, triple check. I have my system command station is off, and I have programming track, main track double throw double pole switch, which is off right now, and it's no power. Okay, so you see some white stuff here. This is curing microcrystal clear, my favorite, I don't want to say adhesive, kind of sealer. Yeah, very good. If whatever reason LED is going to quit, well, I can replace it. Same thing here too. You see the white here? This is like a couple of hours ago. It will turn completely transparent, that means, but I can pretty much assemble it. This might take another hour just to cure. Then today is a game. I'll watch a little bit game. So also what I did, the construction is very, I don't want to, simple, at the same time it's complicated. It's not ready for sound. So what I did, the sound speaker actually going, this is Zimo sound decoder, and if you can see speaker right there, it's Rocco speaker right inside of it, in the boiler. So black kind of almost square sugar cube. This is good one. This is the best. So sound is just amazing. So what I did, I make hole here, trace those two wires from the speaker here, then I make another hole here, because everything looks like tight here on that area of the body. So not sure about this wire. I tried to put this wire under, but when I tried to open it, its whole entire mechanism, I'm like, no, I'm not gonna mess with it. So two wires probably going through this side, and there you go. That will do it. I don't think so it's like a problem here, but I'm still like thinking. So that black wire is my common, which is common through the track. It's not common like normal blue wire in that decoder. So my blue wire, it just sits here. Okay, is it? Oh, maybe I'll take it back. It's yeah, it just sits. That's what I mean. It just sits here. I'm not gonna use it at all. Just put more insulation, and this is it. So it just sits. The black, sorry, the brown is a one function output, which is can just sits here as well. Extra, so it's one function. No, it's second function. The green one is first function output, and yeah, so no common at all. I'm going to put some shrink tubing on these guys after I'm done. Let's do that. I think I have more. Yeah, it's plenty of space to hide them here. Then in final assembly, that wire, I think on the other side, I just make small cut here, and that should be good. So it's not gonna even it's common, but it's going through the resistor. I'll take it back. Yes. So the white is going to the plug and out to the LED, which is I installed. Here we go. Hey, what's up, man? I'm lucky to get on your show. Yeah, you're very lucky. It's free. Okay, so show is going. Show is right there. Means this channel I'm not doing a lot, but I try my best to do it more. All right, so very, very careful. Did I answer your question about which it's a yeah, I think I did. Yes, yeah, I did. Hug, and it's, yes, of course, it's like how are we calling it? The motor rotating like this way in that construction, yeah, like old Fleischmann. I still don't know how to. Sometimes I'm getting them, not very, very rare. Marklin, here we go. Yeah, old Marklin, older Marklin like this. Steam locomotives Marklin. No, I think they're changing it with the gear and all that jazz right now. Okay. Always flux. Don't count on flux. In the solder, actually, you need just regular flux. Separate. Okay, let's make it nice. I didn't lift anything today. Today is the Super Bowl, so, well, Bengals, they tried to do, Bengals Cincinnati team, they tried to do it, but they did everything what they need. They won all necessary kind of games, but they were some formula of that football league kicked them out. So they won last game. It was very dramatic. There you go. Oh, perfect. Oh, I'm just lucky day too. Round motor. Round motor. Okay, good. Thanks. Round motor. Good deal. Ooh, I like, will be shorter wires. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. So less trouble to manage them in final assembly. Here we go. Okay. Those black wires, Miniatronics. Absolutely fantastic wires. The copper means very high quality copper. Stranded. Whew. Working all day long. Not sure about that Super Bowl. Maybe I need the 3 cars to convert with LED, ESU LED light, like the lights with decoder. The only one thing maybe slow me down, additional space I need to find I tested for capacitor preventing flickering. Yeah, okay, that should do it. Perfect. I'm not gonna do full assembly yet, but I'm going to test it, see what's going on. Well, I can just, like before, I did it before. Just put a little bit here. Wires can trace under that boiler. Yeah, should be good. I thought to make another hole here, but no, I just make like a small kind of cut. And trust me, I will forget myself. And if I'm not gonna tell you, you will never know. So meaning I need to point it in a very very good light condition area. There is something going on here. Okay, so let's see. Should be good. Will be short stream, just a little bit for you for fun. So, yeah, not pushing it definitely. Oh, some wires on the way too. Oh, last time it was more successful. Maybe something on the on the other side, maybe. But again, I'm not pushing it at all. What I need to get, someplace else here. Yes, front. So realistic sound will be. It's coming kind of from the everywhere, pretty much. Okay, what messes me up? I did pretty good job last time. I kind of tried to. It's about like 2 millimeters. Oh, not moving. Oh, okay. Okay, something like that. Yeah, I don't want to push it much. Okay, that should do it. Just for testing purposes. Yeah, so LED done here, LED, front LED is done, but wait till everything the microcrystal clear cure in about another hour. Yeah, then I can assemble it. Okay, testing real quick. Yeah, the sound in this case will be a little bit higher than when it's completely assembled, but it's still great. No problem. I can state at this locomotive many times. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Well, Rocco need to make up their mind. Maybe they have some resources in Europe asking what locomotives, like here in the States, some companies like contacting dealers and asking, hey guys, good idea, because we with the customers direct communication, you know. Just bothers me why it's not going down. Well. So they need to make up their mind and make that model in a different type of paint schemes, I think. Yeah, means can do again. That hard to find. I never saw it on eBay. It's almost impossible. Yes, to find it at all. Maybe something. Oh, I think I know what's going on. On the other side is just not moving down. Ooh. Or maybe wire. Okay, we're good. Programming mode. Let's do it. All right. 1, 2, 8. Lights off. F8. Program direct address. See? Yeah, so this is MX decoder, which is for updates. I don't think so. It required. I always updating when I'm putting it on the tester using decoder tester, right? So it has a load on it. But for MS, I guarantee you, it's not necessary. So it's just like you plug it in and hook up to the computer or programmer, and just do whatever you need to do. Okay, let's go. 1, 8. Oh, sounds so good. Let's see the light in the back. You cannot see those lights. Yep, it's working. Maybe you can see my finger up. There we go. Rear, right there. There we go. Forward. Perfect. Wow. Bellissimo. Yeah, they should do it soon. I still don't understand how somebody, so they like in DRG second era or something transition from first, very weird. So it's kind of dark green, like yeah, dark green DRG, dark green, and pretty much same era as this guy, but it's Polish. But they like moving back and forth from Germany to Poland, and they have those passenger cars. I think they Polish, but means under Polska paint scheme anyway. Well, we can run for fun. Oh, so good, so good. All right. What I need also just synchronize chaff with the wheels. Wheels not moving because I think I'm just holding. No, they're moving. Never mind. But they like moving free, so I need to be 100% on a long track. Long track. By the way, about 60 frames per second. Alex, yes. I'll mention it. Just remind me if I'm forgetting. Yeah, this is unbelievable. It's just unbelievable. And Zemo makes like outstanding sound file and all those macros when it's chuffing much higher volume. It's what I did already. I put this acceleration in deceleration pretty tough, like 80 and 80 can be adjusted. Need to run in a little bit. Maybe chuff's very close. See, with the programming on main, that's what I'm going to do. I'll get the longer track and start running it back and forth. I'll make it on layout. Then programming on main, I can easily, change CVs for that particular chuff. Which one I don't remember, of course. But I'll find out. Different decoders, I think they have different settings. Alex, did you see short of the rear lights? I move it on DCC train main channel. Oh man. I'm putting a lot of speed steps. Like it's 33 right now, so I'm cranking throttle like no tomorrow. Oh, maybe it's not losing the track. Maybe I need to take a little bit deceleration. Actually, let's do it. F8. No, it's F7. Escape. F7. CV4. Let's go to like 50. I think that should do it. Okay. It was a little bit too much. Okay, rear. "16 speed steps, like cranking throttle again." Yeah, that's much better. Okay, if you got MX that you could add exponential acceleration, deceleration, you would be very happy. Oh, you're talking about adjusting speed steps? Okay, you probably better know than me. I'm very happy right now, man. By the way, 4K 60 frame per second. It almost doubled. It's going to double the file size, but it's not necessary. Absolutely, you need like ultra something crazy TV set, ultra everything. Streaming probably is okay. It's no advantage of it at all. So this is at 30, because no means it's moving pretty much smooth, you know. Exponential stretches acceleration from the beginning, like very big weight. Oh, cool. I'll look for the decoder adjustments. Do you know? Are you using that for Zimo decoders, like programmer? Using programmer, but it's not Zimo software. What's the name of it? Hold on. Hold on. Experimental CV. Okay. So I'm talking about ZCS. Yes. So ZCS. Those guys. It's not connected to the. I'm running Lens, right? But this guy, Windows, this train, yeah, this ZS Zimo CV setting tool, ZCS. Yeah, it's upstairs here, but well, because I'm changing a lot of resolution, so it's probably need to adjust it. So this guy, ZCV. Well, you see advantage of 60 frames per second when it moves. Yes, correct, but man, it's honestly not really. I try, not working very well. Okay, we just stuck with this at this point. Yeah, man, this is good. Maybe next year computer. That computer's still good. By the way, what you can on the camera, I think it's camera setting as well. It's just not smooth as I took the phone. So it's the whole combination of broadcasting right now, setting for 4K, all that jazz. ZCS, yes. How use, now use motor. Okay, motor. What do you mean? Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh. Okay, let's see the chuff. Yeah, right now a little bit hesitation. I think I need a setting for the motor, for that specific motor adjustment. Has like jerking. Yes, it is. Oh man. Well, it's not brushless. It's motor with the brushes, right? Please add exponential CV. Exponential CV. These are two settings: period and straight off effect. Which CV, if you don't mind? Like like between 100, more than 100, like 200 series or whatever. On the motor page. Okay, I'll look. Thanks. All right, guys. I think we're done for right now. Game starting in 1 hour. Just prepare maybe beer or something else. We'll see. It was my wife brother came. Yeah, we talked about some trains too yesterday. Oh, that's decoder just amazed me. I would accelerate from the start with more time than after. In other words, acceleration should be higher from the start than, okay, so it's like a exponential. So it's not linear. When it's going like starting, the acceleration should be like higher. Is that correct? More time than after. I play with it. That's a good point. All right, guys. Happy Super Bowl. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to support you supporting business, if you'd like to support channel, there is link usually in the description. All right. Thanks again. Have a good one. Bye bye.